Good morning. We are at Theobalds Manor in Enfield. This is a 6,000 square foot property, 6 bedrooms, amazing large spaces, huge kitchen. The client wanted us to refurbish the whole of this grade 2 listed manor house. Reorganise the internal spaces, add a very small modest extension to the side, new windows, new roof, everything has been redone. I can't wait to show you inside. Let's go. Everything in this property has had a facelift. The front entrance door has a stone arch over it, and we are currently in the throes of refurbishing that off-site to bring back and install back in place around the door. The front steps have already been redone and we'll take a closer look at those, but nothing on this property is original. Everything has been refurbished to bring it back to useful life. The scaffolding's recently come down. Why they needed the scaffolding is to make all of the repairs on the roof, repair and replace all of the guttering, and all of the beautiful sash windows have been replaced via Mumford windows, and the link to those will be in the description of this video. So this property is already over 6,000 square feet of space. The real brief was to reorganise the internal layout to better suit the family living. So we've actually only added about 150 square feet of additional space to this house, and that's with a modest 3 to 4 metre extension of this former garage to create a home working space. We've got bifold doors that open out onto this wonderful courtyard. So let's take a look at this beautiful kitchen. This kitchen is huge. I'm going to show you all the nice features that it's got. What you can't see here, because the door's open and I don't want to touch it, is that this is a hidden door through to a pantry area. So there's a WC, sink, second oven and a data server room through this panel. But when it's closed, this will just look like one big kitchen unit. The fridge freezer is massive. I'm going to show you this if you want to come around here. Sorry, this is just the fridge, separate freezer elsewhere. We've got Wolf appliances, which we haven't installed in any of our Aura projects. These are super high end, they're very, very expensive. The kitchen is by Rencraft, and the quality is absolutely sublime. So you'll see big red nozzles on the end of this. Wolf is a very, very, very high end product. We love it. So the kitchen worktops, we've got a white Calcutta marble, which looks incredible. It's about 30 mil thick. And we've got something that we're installing in a lot of our projects now, which is a cooker, hot and cold and filtered instant tap. We've got this Calcutta marble finish, and if you look inside, we have got solid oak interiors, which just look fantastic. So we're going to head upstairs. There's 6 bedrooms, 6 baths. The master suite is absolutely huge. Can't wait to show you it. Let's go take a look. This wing of the house is effectively the guest suite. We've got 1 bedroom here with an ensuite, 2nd bedroom behind you, big long family bath with a 4-piece suite, and then a laundry room at the end. This is one of the longest bathrooms that I've ever been in. We've got a double sink behind you, got a toilet just as you come in, you've got freestanding bath right by the side of me here, and a very large shower cubicle. So every bathroom in this house has this Weddy board, which is a sort of tile backer board, helps with the waterproofing and really creates a robust shower area that isn't going to leak, and is a great place for the heavy tiles that are going on here. So this is the master suite. This is the bedroom space, and if you follow me through here, we have a massive walk-in wardrobe, which is going to be spectacular, all fitted joinery around here. And then this is the biggest ensuite I've ever seen. We've got a 4-piece ensuite, double sink, toilet, freestanding bath under the window, which will be amazing, and then a very, very large shower cubicle behind me. Most of where we've been so far has been boarded over, it's been plastered, but what I wanted to show you up here is some of the original 1800s timber beams that were part of this grade 2 listed building. Obviously, with a listed building, we have to be very sensitive around the fabric of the historic heritage asset and reuse and keep as much of that fabric as possible. So you can see above, we've effectively installed new timbers in between the old ones, but to see the original size of these beams and how it would have originally been put together and see some of that history. It's really nice. So this is the second bedroom. We've got an open fireplace behind you, and if you come through here, we've got the second bedroom ensuite, which is a very large space, 3-piece. We've got a sink and toilet and shower room in the corner, and this second bedroom ensuite has this amazing oval window, which is one of the historic features of the property. Now, these 2 bedrooms on the top floor are absolutely huge. Both of them are bigger than a 1-bedroom flat. Let's take a look at this one first. Now, this bedroom has one of the historic features within the property, which is this red brick chimney flue that goes up from the lower floors. This needed to be kept from a heritage perspective, but actually makes a really fantastic feature for this bedroom. There's huge amounts of light coming into this bedroom from the Velux windows and roof lights above me, and we've got a big walk-in wardrobe together with an ensuite, 3-piece ensuite just to my right. So as you come in into the main entrance, you've got an amazing entrance lobby behind you, and then if you follow me, we've got a huge living space. We've got a reinstated fireplace over to your right, dual entry into this room, and this will be the formal living room. Let's see, the build team have at this point started to install some of the paneling. The interior design here will be very traditional. I can't wait to show you an insight into this in a couple of months' time when it's finished. The paneling continues into this formal dining room, which is an amazing space. You've got 2 windows here and what was one of the original Aga type fireplaces. We're instructed on this project to start with this 6,000 square foot refurbishment, and this is phase 1 to enable the client to move in. Phase 2 will be the pool house extension and refurbishment, and we'll take you over there in a minute. And then phase 3 will be refurbishing this 2-bedroom garage annex. So this pool house is very much run down. The pool hasn't been used for a long, long time. The client wants to bring this back to life. We're adding a glass link to create a new bedroom and ensuite with the outbuilding behind us. We've got this octagonal shaped conservatory, which will become a yoga and gym space. There'll be more gym equipment in one area, a kitchenette, a bathroom, shower facilities, and an extra bedroom. So can't wait to see this to come together as well.